I'm back to show you another unlock here on this Samsung A01. We're going to show you how to remove this password from the screen, okay? We always like to remind you that it's important to remove your SIM card and your memory card as well. Remember that this procedure will erase everything that's stored in your phone's memory. And if you also find that you need to successfully bypass the lock on your Google account, in just a few moments from now, right after we finish removing this password here, I will provide you with a detailed explanation of exactly how you can do that, okay? So you're going to press at the same time on this emergency screen, keep the device pressed on the volume down and the volume up buttons, and the power button, actually the power button, which is the on-off button, and when the device restarts, release the volume down, now press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button, and keep holding the volume up button at the top, as you can see here in the video. When it enters this mode, which is recovery mode, we go to this option here, which says Caution Factory Reset, and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down again and confirm with the power button once more. Let's wait for this process to complete. Once you get here, confirm one more time with the power button, okay? And now your device is already being unlocked. You'll see, it will already come back without any password on the home screen. As we mentioned, if you need to, after you remove this password here, if you also need to unlock your email and your Google account, your device, right? In that case, if your mobile device is currently locked to your personal Google account, please remember that we can also unlock it for you remotely from anywhere you are in the world. Just get in touch with us directly through the contact number provided in the video description below to ask any specific questions you might have or to check the current price for your professional unlock service. But if all you really wanted was to simply remove this security password from the main screen of your Samsung Galaxy R01, I am absolutely sure this video helped you achieve that goal. I do not need to keep the video running or the device here until the very end of the process, since it will definitely take a while to complete, but the unlocking procedure is exactly what we showed you in this guide. Just follow the detailed step-by-step instructions carefully, and I'm sure you will be able to unlock your own device too, okay? That was today's video, and if it helped you, if you are able to, you can make a contribution to our channel. Our Pix key is also in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give. What matters is your support and your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.